Hi guys, today my plan changed. Instead of going fishing, I decided to stay home since my apam is not feeling well. And I see my coconut tree needs to be trimmed. And don't you know guys, the coconut stick, the leaves, you can use a lot of ways. So instead of throwing, I will use this, scrape the leaves, and use this as a toothpick, guys. All natural. So conserving the natural resources to be used as toothpick. So once I get this done, scraping the leaves, I will hang this up under my gazebo.